Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll show you how to fill out A2P registration for sole proprietors. If you are a business user, please contact Calilio support before starting your A2P registration. Now, let's go through how to properly fill your A2P registration on Calilio. A2P registration is required to send messages from your Calilio numbers to customers in the US and Canada. It ensures your business follows carrier regulations. Now, here is how to fill A2P registration. First, click on Settings, then click on A2P Messaging. You start with your profile registration, where you fill up the basic details such as name and email. Then you move on to the brand registration, for which you will require a non-VoIP number from the US or Canada and a physical business address from the US or Canada. Fill in your business name, address, and other required details carefully. Then comes your campaign registration. Here, describe what kind of messages you plan to send. For example, notifications, marketing, or support updates. Also clarify your use case and how you acquired user consent to send messages. Make sure your description is clear and precise. It helps speed up approval. Finally, select and register the phone numbers you want to use for A2P messaging. Only the registered numbers will be approved for sending compliant messages. Once all the fields are filled, submit your application and wait for verification. You'll receive a confirmation once your brand and campaign are successfully registered. And that's it. You've completed your A2P registration in Calilio. If you are a business user or face any issues during sole proprietor registration, don't forget, Calilio support is available 24/7 to guide you through the process. Thanks for watching.